What's up, everybody? Today I wanted to take a minute to check out the TextNow free cell phone service. Now I want to throw out there right away, I am not at all involved with TextNow. I am not an employee. I have not been contacted by them to do a review. I'm doing this review of my own free will because I am just curious if this service is any good or not. With that being said, if you decide to opt for TextNow and you need some kind of tech support or anything like that, be sure to contact them, not this guy. So as I mentioned, TextNow offers a free phone service. You just have to buy the phone or supply one that you already own and get a SIM card that's enabled for the service. TextNow uses Sprint towers, so according to this map, the coverage area for the service appears to be pretty solid. If you're interested in checking out the service, to get started, head over to textnow.com and create an account. That is, if you don't already have one. Creating an account is free, and you can use TextNow without a phone through a web browser. You can also use TextNow for free with their app that is available on both iOS and Android. So if you have an Android tablet or an iPad and you want to check the service out ahead of time, that's also an option. After a little bit of research, I opted not to buy a phone through TextNow. I purchased a recertified Motorola E5 Play through eBay for less than half the price of what TextNow was offering. I just made sure it was set for Sprint towers before I made the purchase. On a side note, once I got the phone, I had to go through an absurd amount of updates. But you will need your phone before you can buy a SIM card activation kit, because you will need to enter your IMEI or MEID for your phone to get the proper SIM card. You can probably look under the battery for your phone to get the IMEI, but the easiest method is just to dial *#06# to get the IMEI number. And your phone does not have to be activated to do this. Once I had my phone's IMEI number, I ordered the SIM activation kit through TextNow's website. It took about a week and a half for my SIM card to arrive by mail. To install the SIM in this particular phone, I had to remove the back cover, but the installation process is pretty simple. However, it may be different for your phone. If you're not sure, just Google it, but the SIM card installation should be pretty simple, regardless of what kind of phone you have. Once the SIM card is installed, you should be ready to activate the service. You'll need to install the TextNow app on your phone. I got it through the Google Play Store. If you have an iOS device, you'll get it through the App Store. Once it's installed, open it and sign in to TextNow. You'll have to set up access to allow TextNow to make calls. Here you can see some of the advertising that you can expect with this service. And actually, it's far less obtrusive than I expected. To activate your service, from within the TextNow app, tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner. Then tap on Activate SIM Card. Then tap on the Enable Free Service button. You'll be given a code to dial with your phone's dialer. Open the dialer and dial that code. It may be different on iOS, but on Android you'll be given a warning that the operation will reboot and change some of the settings on the phone. Tap Yes, and your phone will reboot. After this reboot, your phone should be activated, and you'll be ready to use the TextNow service through Sprint's towers. Now here's where it gets a little wonky for me, right out of the gates. I was able to make calls through TextNow out to other lines, but no one could call me. I tried calling from my Verizon phone, and on the Verizon phone I just got a voice message saying that the number could not be completed as dialed. So I tried from my Google Voice, set up on an Obi-Hi box and a landline. I encountered the same problem. I had my daughter try to call my TextNow number, and I had a friend also try the same number, all with the same results. Nobody could call in. After a couple of days of trying to figure it out on my own, I finally contacted TextNow support. And just so you know, TextNow support is done through chat on their website, and it's only available Monday through Friday during business hours. So if you're the kind of person who requires 24/7 support, this may not be the service for you. But all of that aside, through chat support, the issue was resolved in about 10 minutes, and it was a fairly painless process. I took a screen capture of the chat support so you can read it for yourself, but to resolve the issue, support assigned me a new number. This wasn't a problem for me because I was just getting started with the service, but I could see where it could be a major issue if you've had that number for a while, and it just out of the blue stopped working. Hopefully this is a pretty rare bug. Anyway, with all of that behind me, I've gone out of my way to only use TextNow as my main means of mobile contact for about 2 weeks now. And I must say, I'm very surprised with how reliable the service has been. There have been a few remote spots that I've gone to where I could call out with the TextNow service, but calls coming in would eventually ring through to voicemail. But I at least did get the notification of a missed call, so for me, that wasn't a complete deal breaker. The call quality is, it's acceptable, especially at the price of free. Here, you can take a listen for yourself.
Okay, everybody, so I wanted to give you an idea of what the TextNow service sounds like, and this is me calling my TextNow phone from my Verizon phone using Verizon service, Verizon towers, etc., whatnot. So this is basically what you can expect the service to sound like. The call receiving this is using the TextNow service. It is the Moto E5 Play. I figure the sound will vary from device to device and location to location, but I wanted to give everyone a pretty good idea of what this is going to sound like to the best of my ability. Okay, so now I'm on the other end. I'm calling into the Verizon phone. I'm calling into my Galaxy S7 on the Verizon plan using the Verizon towers. This is me calling from the TextNow phone using the Moto E5 Play. So this is what everything is going to sound like. I'm trying to give you the most accurate representation of what the service sounds like to the best of my ability. As I stated before, I believe everything will sound different based on the device and the location that you are calling from. This is the sound that I can present to you to the best of my ability. I hope that this is a good enough representation that you are able to make an informed decision for yourself.
Here, I've turned off Wi-Fi on both phones, and I wanted to show you about how long it takes for both text messages and phone calls to go through on each phone. Just keep in mind that both of these phones do seem to have a great connection in my bedroom, where I'm recording this video. I've seen a bit more of a delay in other spots, but never more than 10 seconds or so. Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, hello, hello.
So you can hear that the call has gone through, and that's a complete call. Now I'm going to make a return call. Hello? Hello, hello. Hopefully you can hear that, but the call has gone through from the TextNow phone to my Verizon phone. Keep in mind that the TextNow free plan does not include any kind of mobile data. It's just talk and text. though it is unlimited talk and text. To wrap up, I think the TextNow free plan is great for anyone who is in a pinch and trying to save money, as long as you understand that your privacy and ad space on your phone is the actual product in question. That's the trade-off, and I think everybody knows at this point there's no such thing as a free lunch. I think it's a great plan for families who want to provide cellular service for their kids, but they don't want the recurring monthly bill. A friend of mine talked about getting this service just to have an extra phone in the house for a backup. I can't argue with the logic there. The service can be spotty in a few places, but I think that's to be expected of any cellular service. Overall, it met my needs, and I hope I've provided enough data here so that you can make that informed decision on whether or not this is a good fit for you. So that's it. I'm curious if any of you watching have used the TextNow free service, or any of TextNow services. Let us know in the comments below how it's worked out for you. If you found anything in this video useful, be sure to check out one of my other videos, and also consider subscribing. Leave a like, share, and leave a comment below. It really helps the channel grow. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.